Hi everyone, what if you have an open source AI tool which would help you create a good looking website UI components easily just as per your instructions? If you are looking for such tool, then that's what we are going to discuss in this video. If you are first time in the channel, my name is Abhijit. You are watching Know Together, where I try to simplify latest tech and innovation for your future and your business. Let's get started. A lazy person like me, who have absolutely no creativity when it comes to designing UI, kind of AI tool which can help me create a demo product UI for my dream SaaS ideas would really be a blessing for me. If you are also looking for such tools, then let me introduce you to this brand new open source tool called OpenUI. In this video, first we are going to quickly install this open source tool into my local machine, and then I'll try to clone an example website just by using a screenshot. After that, we will try to use some manual instruction to update that website to see how it works. And then we would integrate this tool with our locally hosted large language model powered by Ollama to see how that performs as well. So if you are ready, let me go ahead to VS Code terminal and let's start installing this tool. Shall we? Okay, so now we are in my VS Code terminal. What we will do is we'll go here and we'll clone this repository just to git clone. Now that it is cloned, we'll go inside OpenUI. Now we came inside OpenUI. So we'll create a Python environment using this command. I have already created the environment, so I'm not going to recreate it again. Now we are going to activate the environment. Now that environment is activated, what we will do is we'll follow the documentation. So it says to go inside the backend and then run pip install dot. So we will go inside backend and then we will run pip install dot. Next, it will do all the build and installation, which will take some time. While it builds the project, let me give you an interesting information about the project. Now, if I go back to the project again, if you check the commit history, you'll be interested to see that this project looks like has launched just 2 or 3 weeks before. So it has its first 8 commits on the week of March 17. So this is a very brand new project. That means there could be some bugs, or that means this project could be more improved as the time goes on. However, the interesting fact is that the project have got already 3.18k star and 322 forks, which gives me some confidence that there are a lot of people that are working on the project to make this more useful. The installation is completed. Again, we'll come back to the documentation, and the next step is to export the OpenAI API key. So we'll go to OpenAI platform and we'll create an API key. We'll copy the API key, come back to the terminal. So now we have set the OpenAI API key. Next, what we'll do is we'll follow this guide, and it says just to execute this command. So we come back to our terminal and we execute the command. And as you can see that the server has started on 7878. So we'll click here and that brings the UI for this project. Now at the moment I'll go to the settings and I can see that it is supporting both GPT 3.5 Turbo and GPT 4 Turbo. We're going to refresh the page. We're going to select the screenshot, give the message and hit enter. And I can see that the code have started to build. And I think this is the website that it has built. If I compare the website with the screenshot, I think the color code, it was not able to get it properly. Other than that, it kind of tried to make it almost like same. So I'm quite happy because frankly, I am probably going to use this tool to create a demo website at the moment, right? Now, let's see if we can change something. If we select this header and we say, make this text light purple color. Let's see if it works. Yeah, this has changed the color to light purple. That's amazing, right? But remember, this is using GPT-4 now. So next what we are going to do is we are going to integrate this tool with our locally hosted large language model and try to use a screenshot to create a website again, which I don't think it will work, but I'll still try with Lava kind of model which understand image data. But if it doesn't work, what we will do, try to use the chat window here to give instruction and create another website. Are you ready? We'll go back to the terminal and we'll stop this. We will start a WSL. So WSL is where I am running my Ollama instances. Now if I run Ollama list, you can see that I am running these 5 models. Okay, that's good. Now we'll go back to the bash, come back here, and we are going to start the tool once again. Yeah, it is started now. So we will again go back to the terminal, refresh the page. Now we'll go to the settings, come here, and now if you see, it is able to connect to my Ollama automatically, and it's showing all the models that is available to me. So let's first test with Baklava model. We'll just click update. Again, we'll use the same screenshot, and we are going to write the same instruction that we have sent to GPT-4. It's not working. It's saying no HTML in response. This is exactly what I have predicted. The reason is because the Lava or Baklava model is able to do image recognition, but these models are not trained to create codes, right? So that is why I expected it not to work. But that's fine. What we'll do, we'll use another model. Let's say OpenChat model, which have a really good benchmark against GPT 3.5, and we'll create a new window. Let's use one of the pre-existing options. This is only for testing. I can see that it has created this form as I have asked. But that's good. That means the local large language model is working. So what we will do, we will try to create a brand new website. What we are going to say is create a Facebook style production website from my software development agency. With our service, clients can request blah blah blah. Make sure your website has a contact us button in the middle of the page and proper navigation bar. Yeah, I can see it has started to create the page. Just to make sure, using my locally hosted large language model, I can see that the GPU usage is very high. It's still adding a lot of code, I can see. Okay, it has created the page, which is somewhat okay, and you can see how it has done the communication through this chat history. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select here, and I'm going to say, please add a section for customer testimonials, and let's see if this is going to work. Okay, it seems it has added the client testimonials section, but then it has removed all the contact us and everything else. That's not good. Okay, so in my testing, I don't feel like this product is still ready, but we can still use it to conceptualize a few of the UI components. And at the time of recording, I saw an update that it has also started providing option to convert a web page into a React style web page or Vue.js style web page. Again, that is something which is subject to testing. Please let me know if you are going to use this tool and how you are going to use it and what the result looks like. Please write down in the comment your feedback, and if you have any other tool that you want me to cover, please also let me know in the Discord community. I hope this brings some value to you. If yes, please like the video so that the video reaches to other audience, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because I generally bring different interesting content around AI, cybersecurity and other tech related areas. So I'm going to end the video right now. Please take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.